knows we're back with Lulu, and I do have a feeling she would chase a bike or something, so I'm going to be ready if she starts, if a bike goes by, I'm gonna, like with that skateboard, I'm going to be ready to hit my knit. Mostly, I'm just using my pager. And then, we're started on the place thing, so now we're just bringing this cot around town with us. Good. Doing my pager. Good. Good. Down. Wonderful. Wonderful. Good. 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 In place. Good. Down. Oh, what a good girl. So I think if you had a place at the office, I mean, you've got to put a little tether on them because they figure out if you're not watching them or whatever. Lulu. In the place. Making it more of a phrase. Good. Wonderful. She's getting all kinds of beaming looks of adoration. Good. Good. Oh, she forgot to chew. Uh-oh. Heel.
She's a pretty puppy.
Oh, she's a little living doll, this one.
Hello. I got two in my truck.
Oh, you did? Down? 2 boxers?
Safely locked in. No, mine is like, one is a Chihuahua mix, the other is a Chow mix.
Down. Well, are they getting too hot in there?
No, it's not even, it's not sunny out. It's
I got you.
white roof. Trust me, I worry more about them than I would myself.
I hear you, girl. I hear you.
They get health insurance because if they get sick, they go to the vet.
I hear you.
Not me. Pretty dog.
Good girl.
Pretty. Yeah. Good dog.
See you later. Bye. Keeping that hand bent. Good heel. Good. Down. Oh, good girl. Doing the pager with every command, and I'm using the pager to gain a little finesse. Heel. Heel. Good. Heel. Good. Down. Wonderful. Remember, we're defining down as being over on that hip. Good. 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 Keeping this hand bent, keeping the remote in this hand. Heel. Good. 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 Heel. Good. 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 Heel. I'm turning away at this point. Down. Oh, good girl. She loves these little snacks. Same thing, I'm going to pull her with the pager. Heel. Good. Good. Turn her. Heel. Good. Good. Heel. Something on her head made a vert little snap right there. I think we'll do a little slow-mo with her. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Good. Good. When she She loves German Shepherds. She loves playing with the Shepherd chain, so I think you guys should think about getting one of those. That'd be a good shop dog. That'd be a good Costa Rican dog. So same thing, I'm keeping my finger on the button. Lulu. Roll. Good. Sit down before I stop. Down. Down. Good girl. Get her up on her place. Good.
Need anything in there?
Down. No updates.